Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to find wholesale deals using AI in Zillow. If you've ever wanted to spot undervalued properties or hidden opportunities quickly, this guide is perfect for you. I'll walk you through exactly how to use AI tools to analyze listings, identify potential wholesale deals, and save time by filtering out properties that don't meet your criteria. By the end of this video, you'll know how to spot deals like a pro and get ahead of other buyers. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, these tips will make your property search much smarter and more efficient. So grab your notebook, get ready to follow along, and let's dive into finding the best wholesale deals on Zillow. First, the very first thing we want to do is open our Zillow dashboard. This is where we'll start searching for potential wholesale deals. Next, look to the left side of your screen and click the option that says Search. A new screen will appear, giving you the ability to add filters to narrow down your property search. These filters help you focus only on the types of homes that match your criteria. Now, we're going to use ChatGPT to get some targeted keywords for our search. Open ChatGPT and type the prompt that appears on your screen. This prompt will generate a list of keywords you can use to find properties that are more likely to be good wholesale deals. Once you run the prompt, press enter and copy the list of keywords that ChatGPT provides. These keywords are powerful because they let you automatically target houses that may be distressed, undervalued, or have other wholesale potential. Go back to your Zillow tab and click the option that says More Filters. A new menu will appear. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and find the Keywords bar. This is where you'll paste the keywords you copied from ChatGPT. Once pasted, click Apply. As you can see, Zillow now shows a new list of homes that match the keywords you just added. This makes it much faster and easier to spot properties with wholesale potential, saving you time and helping you focus only on the best opportunities. Now you know how to use AI alongside Zillow to find potential wholesale deals quickly and efficiently. Remember, using the right keywords can save you a lot of time and help you focus only on properties with real potential. Keep experimenting with different prompts in ChatGPT and adjusting your filters in Zillow to uncover even more opportunities. With these steps, finding great deals becomes much easier and more precise. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.